What's up, famous fam, and once again welcome back to another vlog. As you guys see behind me, I am back at Alex's house, and once again we are working on the coupe. Today we're doing a DIY project on painting my brake calipers anodized blue. Let's get into it. So besides jacking the car up and putting it on jack stands, the first thing you want to do when you're doing a project like this is thoroughly cleaning the brakes. Right now I have 180 grit sandpaper, and Alex is on the other side with the wire wheel going to town, getting all this rust, dirt, grime, just everything off of this to prep the surface. So we finished sanding down the brakes to the best of our ability, and right now Alex is applying brake cleaner on it, or he just did apply brake cleaner on it. So we're gonna go ahead and let that sit for a minute, get all that grime and dust and dirt and the stuff you don't want on the brakes when you're trying to paint your brakes, get all that off of it, and then wash it down, wipe it off with some rags. And then the fun part of this entire project, and the most important part of this project, is the prep job that you do, because we are leaving the brakes on the car as opposed to taking them off of the car. You got to prep it just right so you don't get overspray on the body, in the wheel wells, and just anywhere you don't want paint.
Fucking SEMA?
Fuck yeah, we're going to SEMA. What you think? You hear this guy? This is a SEMA build. Bro, this is okay. We're gonna get roasted on YouTube.
You wanna go look at my brakes?
No. Yeah, you're not giving me a lot of confidence on me.
My brakes look good.
How do you
from the front?
How do you do it?
I fucking rattle cane just like this. I didn't spray the back of it. We can fucking welcome back. It's gonna be black after the first corner you drive out of here.
So right now we're in the process of spray painting them blue again, and it's gonna stick a lot better to the silver than it did with the black. We have one coat right here, but as you can see, it's coming out pretty good.
What do you want? Like that?
Alex over here going to work.
Straight from BMW.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Straight from BMW? It looks like we know what we're doing, but in reality, we don't.
No!
So now that the paint is dry, the clear coat is dry, as you guys can see behind me, the car is off the jack stands with the wheels back on it. Let's take a look at these brakes and see how they look with the wheels back on the car. Right now the car is still on the factory wheels, but like I said earlier, Monday afternoon I'm picking up the BBS wheels from the powder coating shop. They should be done by then with the tires on there, and you guys do not know what wheels they are or what color they are, and I might put the car sitting on the wheels at the end of this video. But also, like I said earlier, I'm probably gonna have to roll the quarter panels because these wheels are wide with huge tires. I said that already. But for now, the car is sitting very nice on the factory wheels. And once I put these BBS wheels on the car, the color of those wheels is gonna make these brakes pop like crazy. So for now, enjoy the car the way it sits. And who knows, maybe I'll put the car